Alright guys, so today I'm doing a review on this floating leaf. This is the Gourmet blend. It has brown rice and wild rice and portobello mushrooms. So if you look carefully, here's the nutrient panel if you guys want to read it. Pause the video. There you go. But take a look. You can see the little mushroom bits right there. So I'm going to cook this up, do a quick taste test. I'm going to probably have it with some other things like a meal, like some chicken or something. So I'll be back, guys, so stay tuned. Guys, here's the rice. So I'm going to do a quick taste test. You can see the grains in there. Let me see if I can find the portobello mushroom. I guess there's a little black dots there. So it's a very small amount. It's good. It's nice and fluffy. You don't really taste the mushroom so much, but it tastes like regular rice with a little bit of a hint of it, I guess. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below the description.